Hi everyone! We're going to show you guys how to make the Indian rice that you can eat with the chicken tikka masala.
Or any Indian food. That's the rice we use for any Indian food.
Yes. Alright, so
here is the ingredients. So we have 2 cups of basmati rice. Actually, I found this is called Indian basmati rice. So I use this type of rice. And for this is I washed it and soaked it for like 2 hours. And then for this we're going to use 3 cups of water, and we're going to use 3 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil.
And then we're going to use 1.5 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a stick of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of turmeric.
I like to put on turmeric a pinch of black pepper. So with turmeric, the body can absorb the turmeric, and which is very healthy for the body. And now we're going to show you how we're going to cook it. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now we're going to add both the seeds, the mustard seed and the cumin seed. And just wait for it till it becomes dancing with the oil. Now it's moving a little bit, so we're going to add the rice. And we mix it. Now we're going to add the salt. And that's the stick of the cinnamon. Then we add the turmeric. Now a little bit, a pinch of black pepper. Then we mix all the ingredients together. Now I'm going to add boiling water, 3 cups. So now we put it on high heat. We're going to cover it. We put it in high heat till all the water is absorbed. You see now it's boiling. So we're going to wait till the rice absorbs all the water. And then we're going to turn it to a low heat. Now, as you can see, the water is gone. So make sure fluff it, don't with a fork. I'm just going to make it like a pyramid shape. Now I'm going to taste it. Oh, it's good. I'll cover it and I'll put it on really low heat for like 10-15 minutes.
Okay, and now after 15 minutes on low heat, the rice is ready. Now we're going to plate it and show you guys. Okay, now it's ready. And you could eat it with any Indian dish. Okay, we're gonna taste it now and we'll let you know how it is. And here we have chicken tikka masala. We'll work on the recipe and we'll post it up shortly.
They're really both good.
Very good. Lots of spices. So delicious.
Spicy. Well, the tikka masala is spicy. The rice is not spicy.
Yeah. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching like always. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.